2, 1, go!
And they're off. Team 5900, the Fighting Mongooses, moving outside of their starting position in order to try to get that auto ranking point. Team 3314, the Space Dragons, are raising their arm up to see if they can get a coral up on level 4. Unfortunately, it's not quite enough. However, their alliance partner, the Mercer Manatees, were successful to get that 7 points for getting a coral on level 4. Going into the tail portion of the match, the Red Alliance takes an early lead of 16 points, and the Blue Alliance is 14 points. Team 3344, the Space Dragons, continuing scoring those coral up on the reef as Team 8080 Sequoia Robotics getting some more coral up on level 4 for 5 additional points along with their alliance partner Oscar. Team 3318, the Robo Dragons, depositing a coral in the trough for 2 additional points as the Mercer Manatees line themselves up with the level 4 for 5 additional points. The Fighting Mongooses are getting an algae off the seabed to deliver it into the Red Alliance's processor. We have Team 832 Oscar throwing 2 algae to the surface of the sea and putting it into the net. The human player getting that 3rd one that was just delivered to the processor for a total with Oscar getting a 4th one in the net for 4 points each. In the last 90 seconds of the match, the Red Alliance is in the lead, 69 points, and the Blue Alliance is 51 points. Team 5900, the Fighting Mongooses, are getting another algae from the seabed as their collision happens between 6340 and 3344. We now see 3318 cross the sea to play defense against both the Fighting Mongooses and 3344 at the same time, with having a collision with the Mercer Manatees. Team 8080 Sequoia Robotics getting some more coral up on that reef on level 4 for 5 additional points. Team 3344, the Space Dragons, has done the same as 3318 and crossed the sea to play defense against the Blue Alliance. We still have 3 robots on each side of the sea right now in the last minute of the match. Team 3344, the Space Dragons, continue playing defense against Sequoia Robotics and Oscar. Oscar quickly gets caught up on an algae, but gets off just as quickly to try to deposit a coral up on the reef with only 37 seconds left remaining in the match. We have Oscar is currently Sequoia Robotics is currently getting pinned by the Space Dragons. Oscar is now underneath the seabed, seeing if they can try to get a climb. Since there's only 24 seconds left remaining in the match, the Fighting Mongooses line themselves up for the human player station to get some more coral up on that reef. We are still neck and neck, only 9 points separate these 2 teams. A climb could mean the victory for one alliance or another. 3344 is in the air along with 6340, the Mercer Manatees. 3318 on the Blue Alliance, the Robo Dragons are in the air along with Oscar. We got 4 routes in the air, but Oscar falls down and will not be enough for a climb. 5900, the Fighting Mongooses, were just short of underneath the barge to get those 2 points for parking. But it looks like, from my view, that Team 3318 Team 832 was able to park underneath the barge for those 2 points. We're going to have to wait to see what the final match score is going to be to determine the winner of qualification match number 71. The winner is the Blue Alliance with a final match score of 117 to the Red Alliance's 96. The Blue Alliance will earn 4 ranking points, with the Red Alliance still earning 2. 1 for having their points under the barge and another for the autonomous portion of the match.